She rubbed an aspirin in her hair. What happened a few hours later is fantastic. Aspirin is commonly used to treat pain, fever, and inflammation, but have you ever wondered if aspirin can be used for other applications other than to relieve pain and fever? Well, aspirin has tons of surprising uses, and one of them is your hair. Most of us are having dandruff problems. They are on your scalp and also fall down on your clothes, and that's very embarrassing. We have been using varieties of products that promise to help you in getting rid of dandruff problems, but unfortunately majority of the products failed to complete their promise and gives no result. But don't worry, in this article we introduce you a product which will be effective in treating your dandruff problems, and that special product is none other than aspirin. Adding aspirin to your shampoo can be very beneficial for your hair. Aspirin contains salicylates as an ingredient which acts similar to your shampoo. Have you ever used aspirin for your hair? Aspirin contains salicylic acid, which is very effective in eliminating dandruff from your scalp and also reduces the scalp inflammation and exfoliate the dead cells from the skin. It also removes the excess oil from the hair and making them soft, shiny and lush. Here's how to use it. It is a two-step process in order to eliminate dandruff effectively. First, crush some aspirin tablets in order to convert it into powder, and then mix it well with shampoo. After preparing the mixture, to apply it over your scalp and let it be there for a few minutes, and then rinse it off with clean water. In the next step, massage your scalp gently with the mixture of aspirin and warm water for at least 10 minutes, and then wash your hair and dry it using a towel. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.